Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 6th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Mammoth Energy Services. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Mammoth Energy Services has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from strategic divestitures to operational challenges.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Mammoth Energy Services reported a total revenue of $9.5 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, slightly down from $10 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on their revenue performance?
While the revenue has seen a slight decline, it's important to note that the full-year revenue was $44.3 million, which is a marginal decrease from $45.6 million in 2024. The company is undergoing a transformation, and these numbers reflect the initial impact of their strategic decisions.
And what about their profitability?
The net loss from continuing operations for Q4 was $12.3 million, or 26 cents per diluted share. For the full year, the net loss was $63.8 million, a significant improvement from the $183.1 million loss in 2024. This indicates that while challenges remain, the company is on a path to recovery.
Strategic initiatives and divestitures. Mammoth Energy has been quite active in reshaping its portfolio. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. The company made 4 divestitures, generating over $150 million in cash. This move has strengthened their balance sheet and allowed them to invest $65 million into their aviation platform, which they see as a high-growth area. Additionally, they've made significant progress in reducing their SG&A expenses, aligning their cost structure with their current portfolio.
How do these initiatives position Mammoth for the future?
These strategic moves provide Mammoth with the financial flexibility to invest in higher return opportunities, which is crucial for long-term shareholder value. The focus on aviation and cost efficiency is expected to drive growth and improve margins.
Segment performance and challenges. Let's delve into the performance of Mammoth's various segments. How did they fare in the fourth quarter?
The infrastructure services segment saw a revenue increase to $1.2 million, driven by fiber optic activity. Rental services also performed well, with revenue rising to $3.3 million, thanks to an expanded aviation rental offering. However, the natural sand proppant services faced challenges, with revenue dropping to $1.7 million due to lower sales volumes and prices.
And what about their accommodation services?
The accommodation services segment reported a revenue of $2.8 million, up from $2.4 million in the previous year. This was due to higher room utilization, reflecting a steady demand in remote areas.
Liquidity and financial position. John, how is Mammoth's liquidity and overall financial position as we enter 2026?
As of March 3, 2026, Mammoth had $89.6 million in cash and $28.8 million in marketable securities, with no outstanding borrowings under its revolving credit facility. Their total liquidity stands at $156.6 million, providing a solid foundation to support their strategic initiatives and potential investments.
That's reassuring. It seems they have the resources to navigate future challenges.
Indeed, their strong liquidity position is a key asset as they continue to execute their growth strategy and improve operational efficiencies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Mammoth Energy Services is in a transformative phase, with strategic divestitures and investments positioning them for future growth. Despite some operational challenges, their financial position remains strong. John, any final thoughts?
Mammoth's focus on high-growth areas like aviation and their commitment to cost efficiency are promising. While there are hurdles to overcome, their strategic direction and financial health provide a positive outlook for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Mammoth's performance in the comments below.